He was having an ordinary evening on patrol when Officer Thompson spotted a sleek black SUV speeding slightly over the limit. Without a second thought, he flicked on his siren and pulled the car over, already assuming he knew what kind of person would be behind the wheel. The driver, a composed black woman in her late 40s, rolled down her window calmly, and he asked sharply if she knew why she was pulled over. She replied politely, admitting she had been speeding and apologizing for it. As he leaned in to check her license and registration, a small smirk formed on his face, confident in his authority. But the smirk disappeared instantly when he read her name. Attorney General Melissa Harris. His heart raced as the reality sank in. The person he had stopped out of bias and assumptions was one of the most powerful legal figures in the state. He tried to regain his composure, handing back her documents awkwardly. But Melissa did not yell or reprimand him. Instead, she spoke calmly and firmly, pointing out how assumptions based on race could have consequences, her eyes unwavering. Thompson stumbled over his words, his confidence shattered, realizing that for once, the power dynamic had completely flipped. Melissa drove away gracefully, leaving him to reflect on his mistake and the prejudice that so often drives such encounters. But the real twist came minutes later when the radio, in his cruiser, reported that a major corruption case was just assigned to the Attorney General herself, the same one he had just pulled over, and she happened to be visiting the neighborhood specifically for this investigation. Suddenly, the officer understood that this seemingly routine traffic stop could have had consequences far beyond what he imagined, and he silently vowed to never judge someone by their appearance again. Melissa continued her drive, a mixture of calm authority and quiet satisfaction on her face, knowing that she had not only avoided a confrontation, but also taught a powerful lesson without raising her voice. If you found this story shocking and inspiring, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more stories like this, because every twist reminds us how unexpected life can be.